Lezi indaba zoholo lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukile nazi ezinohlonze emini nje. Ikomiti lasephalamende lika-Section 89 elizocubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kukaMengameli esikhundleni-ke selazisiwe ngokumiswa komholi we-NCC uFadila Adams, kanti-ke seliphume nesincomo segama lika-Advocate Griffith Madonsela njengaloko ozohola ubufakazi uma sekuqala umsebenzi walo.
I am of the opinion that they were attempting to groom me into a prosecutor that would follow that line of march.
U-Advocate Trushanta Ramsamy ukhuze ibuya kukhomishana kaMadlanga ebufakazeni bakhe ebangeledlule utshelele Sithangama ukuthi obe inhloko ye-IDEC useshenxele esikhundleni u-Advocate Andrea Johnson wasengeza imithiyo ebufakazeni bakhe.
To take somebody like a Hlophe and you replace that with your son, it doesn't matter who sat on the table and who agreed. The optics look very bad.
Ongoti abehlukene bezombusazwe bathi izinguquko esezenziwe yi-MK Party ebuholini kungenza ukuthi kazethusi ngenxa yokungabikho kozinzo ekulawuleni kwesimo seqembu. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala izingunqa phambili kanti futhi ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo na ku-SABC le igama lami nginguDaud Phungula Mbukela ke singena kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Advocate Trushanta Ramsamy ukhuze ibuya kukhomishana kaMadlanga njengoba ebevele kusele Sithangama ngeledlule ngesikhathi kethola ubufakazi bakhe uveze ukuthi obe inhloko ye-IDEC Advocate Andrea Johnson usengeza imithiyo ngobufakazi bakhe abethulele ikhomishana kanye-ke nekomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende.
I've reached a point emotionally where I would rather laugh or smile at the circumstances, as serious as it is.
U-Advocate Ombuso Ramsamy ke wavela ngaphambi kwekomishana kaMadlanga ngesonto ledlule uyena ophinde wabuya kulesi Sithangama namhlanje. Ngenkathi evela kulesi Sithangama ngesonto ledlule wadalula inzola ebhekene nalo beyinhloko ye-IDEC u-Advocate Andrea Johnson. U-Advocate Ramsamy uchaze mayelana nendlela lapho akabone ngathi usetshenziswa ngendlela engenabo ubulungiswa.
I am of the opinion that they were attempting to groom me into a prosecutor that would follow that line of march.
And when you say that line of march, what do you mean?
Do as you're told, but prosecute with the skill that you have.
Uqhubeke wachaza ngekhathi lapho ayengasajutshwa kuba enza umsebenzi wakhe kepha esenikezwa nje ithuba lokuthi elekelele abanye oza kwabo.
In 2023-24, I was not given any new projects to work on. I was only allowed to work on the court matters that emanate from, that were already in court. The senior advocate that had placed those matters in court, I had to assist him. I was basically an assistant.
Isithangami siyaqhubeka.
Ikomiti lasephalamende lika-Section 89 elizocubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kukaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa esikhundleni seliphume nesincomo segama lika-Advocate Griffith Madonsela njengonguyena ozohola kubufakazi bekomiti uma ke seliqala kumsebenzi walo. Leli komiti ke lihlangene ke namhlanje njengoba ke liqhubeka nokuzilungiselela ke nakuba ungakaqali umsebenzi walo ngenxa yomdontsiswano ke oseyinkantolo. Njengamanje ke sixhumana ke nentatheli ye-SABC umkhokheli bandla ukuze ke sitholeza kamuva malungana ke nawo ke lo mhlangano umkhokheli. Asikubingelele sikwamukele sizwele ukuthi ikomiti selazisiwe ke nangokumiswa komholi we-National Coloured Congress uFadila Adams. Ingabe kupho okunye okugqamile kulomhlangano wekomiti oqhubekayo?
Mandibulise Dawudi mntakwethu, ndibulise nakumbukeli weendaba zika-SABC1. Ndingaqinisekisa into yokuba ngokwenene ikomiti le elichongile igama lika-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela njengegama elinokuthi likhokele ubungqina kule komiti, but ngaphambi kokuba oko kuqinisekiswe ngokusesikweni, igama lakhe le komiti iza kulithumela kwi-National Assembly, then i-National Assembly ke iza kuthi ibeke isitampu sokugqibela okanye ke ivumelane nale komiti malunga negama lika-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela. Kuzawumeka ngolo hlobo kwangoku ngegama le-evidence leader. Then okunye okubalulekileyo Dawudi okuvelileyo phambi kwale komiti namhlanje ibingumba wengcebiso ebeziza kuphuma kwaba-legal services epalamente malunga negunya okanye ke mhlawumbi ii-powers zale impeachment committee ekwazini ukunyanzela umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba avele phambi kwale komiti xa ngabe kukho isidingo soko. Now ingcebiso ke zabomthetho eziphuma epalamente ezibheka kule komiti ziqinisekisile into yokuba le komiti iza kuba nawo amagunya okunyanzela umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa xa ngabe le komiti idinga into yokuba avele phambi kwayo. Okunye ke okubalulekileyo okwezi developments kwalapha kule komiti kukuba sithetha nje malunga nalo mjijiswano wasezinkundleni phakathi ke kwale komiti kunye nomongameli Ramaphosa. Uzakhumbula into yokuba apha ezintsukwini inkundla ephakamileyo eNtshona Koloni ithe into yokuba lo msebenzi ungakhumiswe ngokwesicelo sikamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umsebenzi wale komiti. Kungoko le komiti ingakwazi mhlawumbi ukuqhubekela phambili yenza izinto ezibalulekileyo apha kuphando layo, kodwa ke iye yalwa back kwisigwebo senkundla yaseNtshona Koloni ephakamileyo, kuba kaloku ngoku sithetha nje uchairperson le komiti uMakashule Gana ephelekwe yi-EFF ephelekwe i-MK Party esele befake amaphepha kwinkundla yomgaqo-siseko i-Constitutional Court besithi into yokuba baphikisana nesigwebo senkundla yaseNtshona Koloni ephakamileyo. Kuloo maphepha Dawudi i-first respondent okanye ke ummangalo wokuqala nguye umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa, ze i-second respondent kuloo maphepha asezinkundleni ibe nguSpeaker wepalamente uThoko Didiza. So okwangoku Dawudi le komiti esele ichongile ozawukhokela ubungqina esele inikiwe igunya lokuba izawukwazi ukuba imnyanzele umongameli Ramaphosa ukuba eze ngaphambili kunye nalo mpake ubheka kwinkundla yomgaqo-siseko.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli, lena ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC umkhokheli bandla. Ongoda behlukene bezombusazwe bathi izinguquko esezenziwe i-MK Party ebuholini kungenzeka ukuthi azethusi ngenxa yokungabikho kozinze ekulawulweni kwesimo seqembu. I-MK Party memezele izinguquko ngokuchithwa kwamanye amalungu ezikhundleni eziphezulu, kanti okugqame kakhulu ezinguqukweni zakamumva ukuba ke kuqokwe uDuduzane ke Zuma lo ke seyiphini ke lokuqala likaMengameli kuleli qembu.
Ngemuva kwesimemezelo sokuqoka kukaDuduzane Zuma njengephini elisha likaMengameli waleli qembu, okhulumela leli qembu Sifiso Mahlangu uthi uDokotela uJohn Hlophe uzoqhubeka nokuba ngumholi waleli qembu esishamthetho kuzwelonke.
The President hereby also relieves Dr. John Hlophe of his responsibility as First Deputy President of the Umkhonto Sizwe Party. This is done with immediate effect. However, colleagues, Dr. John Hlophe will remain as party leader in the National Assembly.
Abahlazi bezombusazwe bathi lezi inguquko zakamuva zobuholi kumkhonto wesizwe party azibama ngazi neze.
The constitution of the MKP does allow the leader of the party, and in this case President Jacob Zuma, to take decisions that are in the interest of his party, the MKP.
What's also embarrassing is when you start looking at the content of the restructuring, to take somebody like Hlophe and you replace that with your son. It doesn't matter who sat on the table and who agreed. The optics look very bad.
Kulezi nguquko kuphinde kwasuswa uNkosinathi Nhleko esikhundleni sakhe njengosihlalo kazwelonke weqembu, kwaphinde kwasuswa uNomsa Dlamini esikhundleni sakhe njengephini likanobhala jikelele.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamola uthi udaba lokufutha kwabantu eAfrika kumele luxazululwe ngokubambisana kwamazwe angaphansi kwenhlangano yamazwe ke ase-Afrika. Lamola ubambe isithangami nabe indaba ePitoli lapho ebephawula ngamaphuzu ehlukene aphathelene nezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba.
Ulamola uthi amazwe ase-Afrika kumele asebenzisane ekutholeni izixazululo zokubhekana nokufuduka kwabantu. Ugcizelele ukubaluleka kokubambisana phakathi kwamazwe ase-Afrika ekulawuleni ukufuduka kwabantu ngendlela ehambisana nomthetho.
South Africa will also emphasize the importance of regional cooperation in addressing migration challenges in a manner that promotes stability, development and respect for human rights.
Mayelana nemibiko yokuthi iGhana ifuna ukubika iNingizimu Afrika ohlakeni lwenhlangano yezizwe ngenxa yodaba lwabantu bakwamanye amazwe abangekho ngisemthethweni kuleli, Ulamola uthi amazwe kumele asebenzise izingxoxo futhi alandele imithetho yomhlaba ekuxazululeni izingxabano.
International law cannot be applied selectively. The credibility of international system depends on the equal application of its rules, regardless of the power or the influence of the states involved. When respect for the UN Charter and international humanitarian law erodes, it threatens only those directly affected by conflict, but the integrity of the entire international order.
Uthi alikho izwe kufanele libe ngaphezulu kwamanye uma kubhekwana nezindaba zobuntu kanye nokusetshenziswa komthetho wamazwe omhlaba.
We raised our view that any discussion on this matter must be comprehensive, deal with the push and pull factors, the root causes of illegal migration.
INingizimu Afrika kulindele ukuthi bambe ingqungquthela yezinsuku ezimbili yabaholi bamazwe eSADC ezoba seThekwini mhla zi-16 kuNcwaba nonyaka.
Izakhamuzi zaseRathanda zikhala ngokuthi-ke namanje amanzi awabona ngemva kokuba-ke zabhikisha zashisa amathayi zavala-ke emgwaqo kodwa-ke lutho namanje umnyakazo.
Ukugqoza kwamanzi eRathanda kwaba yisona isisusa sodungunyane njengoba izakhamuzi zagcina zibuka umbhejazana zavala imigwaqo ngamathaya avuthayo nangezinguzunga zamatshe, kodwa namanje ezinye izakhamuzi zithi amanzi aseyindlala.
It's so painful to be without water. It's so sad, especially for us elders. We have to ask our younger people to fetch water for us.
Imeya yomasipala Hilisedi umluleki Nkosi uthi sebekhokhe imali engaphezulu kwezigidi ezingama50 zamarandi bekhokhela iRand Water, wathembisa ukuthi enye imali izolandela.
The time when we met Rand Water, our amount owed was about 120 million, plus minus 120 million, and we reached a consensus that as soon as we get our equitable share, we will pay 52 million, which we have already paid to Rand Water.
Lolu daba lwababucayi ngendlela yokuthi kwagcina sekungenelela nomnyango wakaKhokta kulesifundazwe.
We believe now that they've paid this amount of money, they'll be able to deliver water to the people. We really believe that this is a very important development, and we're looking forward to Lesedi sustaining on a constant and consistent basis payments every time that arises, and of course improve the working relationship with Rand Water.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi amanzi seziwathola emapitsini kanti ezinye sezithembele emathangini ukuze zikwazi ukuphila.
Mbukeli sathi shelele eyitolo kanti siyabuya nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena, asikukhumbuza ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Njengoba nje sekusele izinsukwana ngaphambi kokuba kushicelele ngokusemthethweni usuku lokuvota, ikhomishana yokhetho ye-IEC isakhuthaza bonke labo abalungele ukuvota ngokuthi basebenzise ithuba lokubhalisa noma ke ukubukeza imininingwane yabo. Njengamanje sixhumana noDokotela uKhulekani Mtatane we-IEC lapha esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal. Mfoka Mtatane, asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zehora lokuqala. Sekusele nje izinsuku ezimbalwa ngaphambi kokushicelelwa ngokusemthethweni kosuku lokhetho. Ingabe yini ekufanele yenziwe yilabo abafanele ukuvota njengoba sazi ukuthi ke beniqhubeka impela sonto nje yokugcina ngeledlule yokubhalisela ukuvota?
Impela kusele izinsuku ezimbili nje kuphela ngoba silindele ungqongqoshe wakaKhokta nokuyena onikwe amandla okushicelela usuku lokhetho. uzokwenza ke njengoba indicateile ngesonto utshele umhlaba wonke ukuthi uplana ukuthi ashicilele ukhetho noma usuku lokhetho ngomhla ka7 okuLwesihlanu. Siyazi ke ukuthi ke uma ngabe selishicilela usuku lokhetho siyazivala zonke izinkundla zethu esizisebenzisa for ukubhalisa abavoti ke ngoLwesihlanu nje ebusuku ngo11:59 zonke izinkundla zethu zizovaleka. So ke abavoti banalithuba okusukela manje kuze kuyoshaya uLwesihlanu ukuthi bangaphuthuma ingakavali i-voters roll.
Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ukhuluma ngokuthi zikhona ezinye izinkundla, ngabe iziphi ke lezi ezinye indlela ezikhona zokuthi abavoti babhalisele ukuvota babukeze imininingwane yabo futhi baqinisekise ukuthi babhalisiwe esiteshini sokuvota esifanele ngaphambi komnqamula juqu?
Osalileke ngeweekend besivulile abesivule khona iteshi usenethuba lokuthi ke ayongena online. Uma engena online uya lapha athi register to vote .election.org.za noma kune number futhi ka WhatsApp engasakhokhelwa kuyinamba yamahala u0600 880000. Uyakwazi futhi ukuthi ushayele i-call center yethu ku-0800 11 8000 ukuthi ukwazi ukubheka ukuthi izinto imininingwane yakho imi kanjani, uphinde futhi ke uupdate engakashayi lo Lwesihlanu lo esikhuluma ngawo ngoba mazithi midnight ngoLwesihlanu iyavala i-voters roll.
Mtatane, uma nje sifuna sithi ukuthinta kancane la ukuthi uma sibheka lapha uma uhlelo lwabavoti selivaliwe isigaba esilandelayo ngabe ke isona sipho ohlelweni leCommission yezokhetho ezimele?
Ngokomthetho ke thina njengoba wazi ukuthi besingalindi ukuthi ku-announce usuku kodwa silinde ukuthi kushicilelwe. Once kwashicilelwa ilapho ke sesenza khona into esibiza phecelezi nge-election timetable okuyiyona esinika umhlahlandlela ukuthi okusukela manje sibhekephi. Siyazi njengamanje ukuthi sibhizi nje siyivulile iwindi lokuthi ama-political parties nalabo abafuna ukucontesta as ama-independent candidate sekuvuliwe lelo windi, kodwa sizogayidwa ke i-election timetable le ngithi sizoyenza immediately uma ngabe vala ungqongqoshe noma proclaimer usuku. So kuzobe sisitshela ukuthi makuvalwa kuyovalwa nini leli windi lokuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi noma political parties akwazi ukuthi athumele intention yokucontesta kulolu ukhetho. Nokunye ke futhi okuningi okuzobe kuqhubethwe i-timetable njengokuthi inini la siyobe senza khona ama-special vote, siyovota nini for abafuna ukuvota ngokukhethekile, iziyosibeka ke i-timetable umhla ka4 kuNovember.
Sibonga kakhulu Mfoka Mdatane, mbukeli ukhulekane Mdatane we-IEC lapha ke esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal ongudokotela. Kanti ke uma sihlabela phambili abazali bentombazane neminyaka eyi12 ubudala eyadlungulwa ngoMbasa nonyaka okusolwa ukuthi iyadlengulwa nguTshepo Ntsimane bathi ke isenokuphazamiseka ngokwengqondo kanti ayisakwazi nokulandela kahle ifundeni zayo njengoba ke ifeyilile ngoNhlangulana. Intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uCalvin wakadludla osiqoqele nankumbiko.
Lihlelo lomhlazi 12 insuku kuncwaba icala elibhekene noTshepo Ntsimane. Uzokhumbula mbukeli wendaba ze-SABC ukuthi Ntsimane wakhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngoMbasa njengoba esolwa ukuthi ke wadlungula intombazane eneminyaka eyi12 ubudala eDobsonville eSoweto. Kanti ke okuvelile namhlanje enkantolo ukuthi ke ugesi awukho, ingakho kube likhonsatshe ukuthi inkosi yenkantolo ikwazi ukuqhubeka naleli cala. Okunye sikutholile enkantolo ukuthi yena umsolwa uNtsimane ubengekho enkantolo namhlanje, kanti inkosi yenkantolo ke ibalulile ukuthi ke yingane engekho. Iyasho ukuthi ke esinye sezathu senza ukuthi angabi khona ukuthi ke akuphephile ukuthi ke abasolwa bayogqunywa lapha eDoksini njengoba kumnyama bhuqe, kungenzeka ukuthi ke balimazane. Kanti ishilo ke ukuthi ke iyasola futhi nokuthi ngathi kwebiwe amakhebula kagesi kusukela izolo kuthiwa kule nkantolo ugesi ubulokhu ungekho kuze kube namhlanje. Na izolo mangabe sizwa kuthiwa ke amacala amaningi ahlehlisiwe njengoba egcine ehlehliswa ke namhlanje kule nkantolo yemantshi yaseRoodeport. Sikhulumile ke nomzali ke wayo intombazanyana eseyafudukiselwa kwesinye isifundazwe. Uyakhala umzali uthi ingane yakhe ayisakuthola ukulala, ayisabuthi iquthu ubuthonga. Usolwa ukuthi engathi phazamisekile nasengqondweni ngoba kuthiwa ke ifeyilile ngisho nasesikolweni, kanti ke ushilo wathi uzozama ukuthi ayoyibona ukuze bakwazi ukubheka ukuthi kukhona yini ke abangayisiza ngakho. Thina siyiziko lendaba ze-SABC sizobuya ngomhla zi-12 kuNcwaba insuku njengoba sizobe sizoqhubeka naleli cala. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisenkantolo yemantshi eRoodeport.
Inkantolo yesifunda eModimolle eLimpopo ihilalele izethulo zokugcina ecaleni labamangalelwa abathathu abasola ngokweba izishaqane zemali eyizigidi zamadola aseMelika eplazini likaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala.
U-Advocate Nkenseni Munyayi uthi ngesikhathi kubhekisisa umakhalekhukhwini kwatholakala ukuthi uDakalo wayexhumana nomsola wokuqala esendaweni yesigameko ngosuku kwaqekezwa ngale plazini iPhalaphala.
If one has regards to the cell phone records pertaining to Mr. Dakalo, which shows that the communication between him and accused number 1 happened on the 9th, and he was also placed in the vicinity of the crime scene on the 9th.
Imantshi ibe isifuna acacisa uadvocate ngakwethula enkantolo ukuthi abanye abasolwa babe kuphi.
You argued that you submit that accused number 1 and the other 2, his companions, the names that you have mentioned, they were transported by Mr. Lishinko and they had certain bags in their possession.
No, that was when they were first by Mr. Dakalo.
Dakalo, when was it?
Yes, it was on the 9th.
Okay, so it was accused number 1 and the other 2, with the exclusion of accused number 2 and 3.
With the transportation by UDG.
Yeah, the transportation. Accused number 2 and 3 were not in this particular transport.
No.
Kuleli cala ke kubizwa ufakazi abangaphezulu kwama-20 ukuba bazokwethula ubufakazi. Abasolwa bona abazange babizwe ufakazi babo. Icala liyaqhubeka.
Mbokele sathi qhu 8 oleka uMasibuye siphathele kumhlahlo wesimo sezulu wena ungayindawo. Usale kahle.